Gujranwala, a city that hits you with the aroma of spices and the clang of hammers before you even arrive. This is a place where tradition and industry collide, where the food will make your mouth water and the steel will make you marvel. Gujranwala is a city that gets under your skin. It stays with you. This is a city of contrasts. You'll see ancient bazaars humming with activity. Right next door, modern factories churn out goods for the world. This is where the past shakes hands with the future. And trust me, it's a handshake you won't forget. Gujranwala is well connected to other major cities like Lahore, Islamabad, and Karachi. Major highways and railways make travel easy, and significant transportation hubs keep the city linked to the rest of Pakistan. The weather here is typically hot and humid with scorching summers and mild winters. Additionally, Gujranwala's international airport connects it to global destinations, making it a truly accessible city. Food in Gujranwala is not just sustenance. It's an event. It's a celebration. Imagine biting into a sizzling Sikh kebab, the aroma alone a symphony of spices, or sinking your teeth into a hot, fluffy naan, fresh from the tandoor. Then there's the world-famous Gujranwala paya. This slow-cooked stew, simmered for hours with aromatic spices, is a true testament to the city's culinary heritage. Don't even get me started on the mithai, the sweets. Each bite is like a little explosion of sweetness in your mouth. But Gujranwala isn't just about culinary delights. This city is the industrial heartland of Pakistan. Walk through its streets and you'll hear the clang of hammers shaping molten steel. These are the sounds of progress, the sounds of a nation building itself. From massive machinery to intricate surgical instruments, Gujranwala's steel industry fuels the country. This is where raw materials are transformed into the building blocks of a nation. It's raw, it's real, and it's impressive. But there's another side to Gujranwala, a side steeped in history and tradition. This is the land of Pahlwans, the wrestlers. These aren't your average athletes, these are mountains of muscle, trained from childhood in the art of kushti. Step into an akhara, a traditional wrestling ground, and you'll witness a spectacle unlike any other. The crowd roars, the drums beat, and the Pahlwans grapple with incredible strength and agility. It's a raw display of power, skill, and centuries-old tradition. This is Gujranwala, a city that will surprise you, amaze you, and leave you wanting more. Gujranwala is not just about food and industry, it's also a city with must-visit places and must-try foods. Start your journey at the historic Sharanwala Bagh, a lush park perfect for a leisurely stroll. Don't miss the Gujranwala Clock Tower, an iconic landmark that stands as a testament to the city's rich history. For food lovers, the city's street food is a must-try. Head to the bustling food streets to savor dishes like the spicy golgappa, the tangy chaat, and the refreshing lassi. Each bite and sip will give you a taste of Gujranwala's vibrant culinary scene. Whether you're exploring its historic sites or indulging in its street food, Gujranwala offers an experience you won't forget.